Hi, konnichiwa minasan. This is Hemant Kudke. As discussed, so we will discuss the grammar pattern. I have started a JLPT N5 series in which you can learn the Japanese grammar of JLPT N5. So this blog is regarding Japanese particle wa. So this you may be thinking for whom it is. So this is for who is studying JLPT N5 from the basics. And yeah, especially this blog is related to particle wa. So I will share my laptop screen so you will be able to see whatever notes I have prepared. So in description I will put this notes, put this link as well so you can go and review my blog. So here you can see the various kind of Japanese related information. Okay. So as discussed, today we'll discuss Japanese particle wa. So even though it is written as a ha, okay, it read as a wa. Okay. So what is first of all use of the particle wa? As I have updated the notes here, particle it is ha is pronounced as a wa, which is the most essential particle. So I will tell you quickly. So particle wa is used to show the topic of the sentence. Okay. So it is used more useful to tell the topics or subject of the sentence. So it is used about the person or the thing in about you are talking about in that sentence. So let's take suppose I will type here. Suppose I write here watashi. In Japanese, I would say watashi wa. In English, I will be Hemant des. So let's take this example. Watashi is I. So the complete sentence meaning I am Hemant. Okay. So in this sentence, I am talking about me. So that is watashi. So after watashi, I updated the particle wa. So what is understanding in this sentence. So wa shows the topic of the sentence is watashi. Okay. So I am talking about myself. So I am the topic. So watashi wa Hemant desu. So this is a basic pattern. Okay. So as I show, which is mentioned here as well. So before wa, you will find a topic. Okay. Before wa, you will find a topic of the sentence. And after why you will find the explanation here. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, so yeah, the first example I updated here, watashi wa gakusei desu. So again here watashi I updated Romaji as well and English as well. So watashi is the topic of the sentence, that is I. Wa is a particle topic marker. Gakusei means student. Des means am. Am is are. Okay. So watashi wa gakusei desu means I am student. Okay. So this is the first example. If you go to second example, so here I updated wa. So of course the topic will be the before wa. In this sentence, our topic is Nihongo. Nihongo wa omoshiroi desu. It's saying that Japanese language is interesting. Okay. So Nihongo is a topic of the sentence. So and when to say the most of the students have question like when to pronounce it as a ha or wa. Okay. To be very specific about this question, I will tell you when this wa comes at end of the any word, you will pronounce it as a wa. Okay. And if it is coming at the starting of the word, then you will pronounce it as a ha. Okay. Like examples of uh, hatarakimasu, hajimasu. So that is ha. Okay, but if it comes at end of the word, you will pronounce it a wa. Okay, so we have done this example as well. And third example, kono hon wa. So kono hon means this book. Hmm, wa takai desu. Takai is costly. Okay, so this book is costly or expensive. So topic of the sentence is kono hon. Okay, so this is the why is showing the topic of the sentence is before that why is that is kono hon. Okay, and the common mistake student you know does like that they can get confused in wa and ga. Okay, as I mentioned here, wa is used to telling the main topic of the sentence. However, ga you can emphasize. Ga is used on the emphasize on the subject or introduce something new information in ga. In future, we'll take some examples of ga as well. So I have uploaded this, blog on my blogspot.com, propskill.blogspot.com. So you can go and read from there as well. So that's it for today. So thank you so much for joining. Arigatou gozaimasu.